Check out how I made Jerry's apartment. First, I started off with some wood flooring paper. Then I added some fake walls with doors. The kitchen cabinets were made of wood and then painted. I added some tiny food items and some lighting. Now I can start inserting the shelves and aging all of the cabinets. You have to add that perfect little buzzer and light switch. All of the paintings match the actual ones in the TV show. Here I'm going to make little tiny magnets for the refrigerator and a Superman. I aged the walls, added all the cereal. That's really important. Lots of it. And you're done.